Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Magic Kits is probably one of the most exciting gifts you can give to a child, sparking creativity and wonder. But with so many options available for kids aged 8 to 12, choosing the right one can feel like pulling a rabbit out of a hat. In this video, we'll explore some of the top magic kits on the market, helping you find the perfect set to ignite a young magician's passion. Number 5. National Geographic Science Magic Kit. This kit combines the wonders of science with the excitement of magic. It allows you to perform amazing tricks that will amaze your friends and family. You'll be bending metal and making things disappear. Each experiment is designed to be performed as a magic trick. The included magic wand and gloves let you dress the part. It's fun and educational. The kit includes all the materials needed for 20 stunning science magic tricks. You can make snow appear in your hand or create a square bubble. Use physics and chemistry to amaze. Want more? The kit also includes a bonus experiment guide with 85 plus additional experiments. You can do them with common household items. It's a great way to keep the fun going. This product is developed by Blue Marble, winner of the Toy of the Year award. They focus on education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a US support team. What we like. This kit blends science and magic seamlessly. It offers over 100 unique experiments, turning learning into an exciting performance. If you're looking for a gift that combines education and entertainment, you should consider this one. It's perfect for young scientists and aspiring magicians. What people say. The experiments feel like magic, but they teach real science concepts, which makes it even better. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and the activities are exciting without being too complicated. This kit is packed with over 100 unique experiments that have kept her engaged and excited about science. From creating fizzy reactions to making slime and invisible ink, every activity feels like a little piece of magic, and it's been a joy watching her discover new things. Number 4. National Geographic Magic Kit, 45 Tricks. This amazing kit is packed with 45 incredible magic tricks. It's designed for kids to learn and perform, offering hours of fun and excitement. The kit includes all the classic props needed to perform famous illusions. With these tools, they can master the techniques behind many well-known magic tricks. A special magician's card deck is included to help them practice card tricks. This is a great tool for learning sleight of hand and wowing their audience. They'll have access to step-by-step video instructions for all 45 tricks. A professional magician guides them through each trick, ensuring a perfect performance. The kit teaches the fundamentals and advanced variations of many tricks. They'll be able to put together a whole magic show with all they've learned. The product meets the highest quality standards. If they're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right for them. What we like. This kit focuses on classic magic tricks, providing all the essential props. With step-by-step video instructions from a professional magician, learning is easy and fun. If you like learning from a pro and want to master the fundamentals, you should choose this one. It's great for those who want to build a solid foundation in magic. What people say. The instructions are very clear and easy to follow. The tricks are very cool and fun to do. It comes with a lot of different tricks. Number 3. Original Stationery Unicorn Crystal Growing Kit. Discover the magic of crystal arts and crafts with this kit. It's designed to let kids explore the wonders of crystal growing in a fun, unicorn-themed terrarium. The included instruction manual makes it easy for kids to assemble. This activity combines science with imaginative play, encouraging creativity and learning. This crystal growing terrarium kit offers plenty of space for artistic expression. Its design is perfect for unicorn crafts and flower-themed science projects. Looking for a great gift? This kit is perfect for girls interested in STEM toys and creative projects. It's a memorable gift for young minds. The set includes everything needed for a complete crafting experience. Kids will enjoy creating their own crystal unicorn with the crystal compound powder, unicorn figure, and decorative items. What we like. This kit offers a unique unicorn-themed terrarium experience. It combines the fun of crafting with the science of crystal growing. If you are looking for a creative and educational gift, you should consider this one. It's perfect for kids who love unicorns and enjoy hands-on projects. What people say. Arrived on time and in great shape. Granddaughter loved it and was very proud to show me how it turned out after she had grown the crystals and put it together. She had fun watching the crystals grow and arranging her sand. It has unicorns. Little girls love unicorns, feminine, pastel colors, pink, lavender, etc., crystals. Little girls love crystals. Number 2. Fantasma Masters of Magic Set. Want to learn over 450 magic tricks? This set has everything you need to amaze your friends and family. It's perfect for aspiring magicians of all ages. Inside, you'll find classic tricks like cups and balls, linking rings, and a magic card box. This kit provides hours of fun and excitement. The illusion box can make objects vanish, reappear, or transform. It's a mysterious tool that will leave your audience in awe. This kit includes instructional videos and bonus footage of legendary magicians. You can learn the secrets behind their greatest tricks. Fantasma is the #1 brand in magic, endorsed by the International Brotherhood of Magicians. This set is quality controlled and meets all safety standards. What we like. This kit provides everything needed to become a master magician. With over 450 tricks to learn, it offers a comprehensive magic experience. If you want to learn a wide variety of tricks and are looking for a kit endorsed by professionals, you should choose this one. It's ideal for those who want to delve deep into the world of magic. What people say. My 9-year-old son has recently taken up a liking for magic, so finding an age-appropriate magic set was difficult. I came across this set and it had a large variety of tricks and didn't seem too kiddie. Once we got the item, I was pleasantly with the quality. The guidebook is very detailed, making for easy learning. It also comes with a poster and the storage box is very sturdy. My son loves it. My niece is really into this and is working on learning all the tricks and her confidence is growing. I love how in-depth the manual is and the magician poster was a cool bonus. Number 1. Klever Kit's 180 Plus Magic Set. This amazing kit lets you learn over 180 magic tricks. It comes with classic props and easy-to-follow instructions, perfect for beginners to amaze everyone. Access video lessons led by professional magicians. These tutorials teach you essential techniques and secrets, helping you gain the skills to perform like a pro. The kit includes cups, balls, a magic wand, and more. These props are designed to help you grasp the fundamentals of sleight of hand. With this, you can perform iconic tricks. You'll learn fundamental tricks and advanced variations. This allows you to put together your own full magic show. Customize your performances and impress your audience. This magic kit is the perfect gift for kids aged 6 and up. It provides hours of fun, encourages creativity, and helps develop fine motor skills. It's a great way to enter the world of magic. What we like. This kit is designed for beginners, with over 180 tricks to learn. It includes step-by-step video tutorials, making it easy to master the art of magic. If you are looking for a kit that is easy to learn and offers a wide variety of tricks, you should choose this one. It's perfect for young aspiring magicians. What people say. The instructions are very clear and easy to follow. The tricks are very cool and fun to do. It comes with everything you need to do the tricks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.